Dexter Bear. Dexter Bear, hello. Hello. Do you have a new toy? Do you have a new toy? Is it a lot of fun? Your new toy? Is it fun? Show us how you jump. Show us how you jump. It's almost like you get to stand up, huh? Your favorite thing, standing up. Well, almost your favorite thing, but this is pretty cool. It's pretty cool, huh? And you can see your ceiling fan from here. Isn't that nice?
See your what? Oh, your ceiling fan.
Yeah. I know, it's so exciting. It's so exciting. Yay! Yay! Spinny, spinny. I see you. There you are. There you are. Hey. Hey. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye? That's pretty much it. Yeah.